how to fix verification option not showing on Twitter app. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to fix the verification option not showing on Twitter. So all what you have to do guys is very simple and easy. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and then go to the search bar right here and search for Twitter like this. Now after you search for Twitter, all what you have to do here is click here on this green option. If you found the update option, that means that you need to update your Twitter to get the latest version, because the reason why you don't have the verification option is because you don't update your Twitter. And yeah, that's it guys. After that, restart your phone and reopen Twitter and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.